Dear JAMB candidates, are you having trouble reprinting your JAMB UTME slip? Worry no more. Follow these steps to reprint your slips freely. Step 1, as shown on your screen, visit the direct JAMB printing link as shown on your screen. Enter your JAMB registration number or email address or your JAMB registered number in the required field. Point 3, you need to click on print examination slip to access your slip. That is it. You can now reprint your JAMB UTME slip without any hustle. Don't forget that intensive JAMB revision tutorial is already in progress to help you prepare for the upcoming exam. Akahi Tutors Ile-Ife is offering an intensive JAMB revision tutorial. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your confidence and score. For more information, call Akahi Tutors Management on 08038 644 328. Thank you. Best of luck in your exams.